Think about the last time you shopped for a new laptop, smartphone, television, or even a pair of wireless earbuds. Chances are you noticed something surprising. Despite technology becoming more advanced every year, many everyday electronics aren't getting cheaper. In fact, many of them are becoming more expensive. At first glance, it doesn't make much sense. Manufacturing processes are improving, supply chains have largely recovered from the disruptions of the early 2020s, and competition is stronger than ever. So why are consumers still paying more? The answer lies in one of the biggest technological shifts of our time. Artificial intelligence is quietly changing how electronics are designed, built, and sold, and it's becoming one of the biggest reasons prices are moving upward. For years, electronics followed a fairly predictable pattern. Companies released new products with slightly better processors, brighter displays, and longer battery life, while manufacturing efficiencies gradually reduced production costs. Consumers often expected newer devices to deliver more features without a significant increase in price. That trend is beginning to change. The biggest reason is that AI is no longer just another software feature. It has become one of the main selling points for nearly every major technology product. Whether it's a smartphone, laptop, smartwatch, or personal computer, manufacturers are now racing to include AI capabilities directly inside their devices. That requires much more than simply installing new software. It often means redesigning the hardware itself. Modern AI features depend on specialized processors called neural processing units, or NPUs. These chips are designed to handle AI tasks efficiently without relying entirely on the main processor. Adding these components increases manufacturing costs, especially as companies compete to deliver faster and more capable on-device AI experiences. The processor isn't the only part changing. Running AI effectively also requires more memory, faster storage, and improved cooling systems. As these upgrades become standard across product lines, the overall cost of producing each device rises. Another major factor is research and development. The race to build AI-powered electronics has become one of the most expensive technology competitions in history. Companies like Apple, Google, Samsung, Microsoft, Dell, HP, Lenovo, and countless others are investing billions of dollars into designing new chips, improving AI software, and integrating advanced features into future products. Those investments don't simply disappear. Eventually, part of those costs finds its way into the price consumers pay. Competition is also playing an unexpected role. Normally, intense competition pushes prices lower, but during periods of major technological change, companies often compete by adding more premium features instead of cutting prices. That's exactly what's happening today. Every manufacturer wants to claim its devices have the smartest AI, the fastest AI processing, or the most useful AI assistant. Instead of focusing solely on affordability, companies are trying to differentiate themselves through innovation. As a result, consumers are being offered increasingly powerful products, but often at higher prices. Memory is another hidden contributor. Many AI features require significantly more RAM than older software. Devices that once shipped comfortably with lower memory configurations are now being upgraded to meet the demands of modern AI applications. More memory improves performance, but it also increases manufacturing costs. Storage requirements are growing as well. Some AI models run directly on devices rather than relying entirely on cloud computing. Keeping these models available offline requires additional storage capacity, which further raises hardware costs. Even batteries are affected. AI workloads consume power differently from traditional applications. Manufacturers must balance performance with battery life, leading to investments in larger batteries, improved efficiency, and more sophisticated power management systems. All of these engineering improvements contribute to higher production expenses. Then there's the semiconductor industry. Advanced AI chips rely on some of the world's most sophisticated manufacturing processes. Producing these processors requires cutting-edge fabrication facilities that cost tens of billions of dollars to build and operate. Demand for these advanced chips has exploded, not only for consumer electronics, but also for massive AI data centers serving cloud providers and businesses around the world. As demand increases, securing enough manufacturing capacity becomes more expensive. That pressure can ripple across the entire electronics industry. There's also a growing shift toward on-device AI. Instead of sending every request to the cloud, companies increasingly want phones and laptops to perform AI tasks locally. This improves privacy, reduces internet dependence, and delivers faster responses. But achieving that requires substantially more capable hardware. Consumers benefit from improved performance, yet those improvements come with higher production costs. Software development is becoming more expensive too. Creating AI-powered experiences requires enormous engineering teams, continuous model training, security improvements, and frequent updates. Unlike traditional software features, AI systems must constantly evolve to remain competitive. Those ongoing investments become part of the long-term cost of developing modern electronics. At the same time, consumer expectations continue rising. People now expect real-time translation, intelligent photo editing, advanced voice assistance, automatic document summaries, personalized recommendations, and increasingly capable AI tools built directly into their devices. Meeting those expectations requires far more computing power than electronics needed just a few years ago. Of course, not every price increase is caused by AI alone. Inflation, labor costs, global logistics, and currency fluctuations still influence manufacturing expenses. However, AI has introduced an entirely new layer of investment that companies simply didn't face before. The interesting part is that manufacturers appear confident consumers are willing to pay for it. Many buyers now view AI as a valuable feature rather than an optional extra. If AI helps improve productivity, creativity, or convenience, companies believe customers will accept higher prices in exchange for those benefits. Whether that assumption proves correct will become clearer over the next several years. Eventually, some costs may begin to decline. As AI chips become more common, manufacturing scales up, and production techniques improve, prices could stabilize much like they did with smartphones, solid-state drives, and high-resolution displays. History shows that expensive technologies often become more affordable once they reach mass production. But during the early stages of a technological transformation, higher prices are fairly common. That's exactly where the electronics industry finds itself today. Artificial intelligence is changing nearly every category of consumer technology at the same time. Instead of adding one new feature, manufacturers are redesigning entire product lines around AI capabilities. That requires new chips, new software, new engineering, new manufacturing processes, and billions of dollars in investment. All of those changes inevitably affect pricing. So the next time you notice that a new laptop, smartphone, or tablet costs more than expected, the reason probably isn't just inflation. It's that you're no longer buying a traditional electronic device. You're buying hardware built for the AI era. And until these technologies mature and manufacturing catches up with demand, artificial intelligence will likely remain one of the biggest reasons everyday electronics continue becoming more expensive.